All right, so I've got the RLink alarm system here that I'm going to be installing on my R1200 GSA. It's got 3 components that's going to be in the box. This one, and then the wiring harness. As far as connection wise, it looks like you can actually still keep the BMW alarm installed if you have it, because this is going to plug into here, and then this is part of your antenna unit, so it'll go from here to there. And then obviously you've got your battery connectors, and then your posi-tap wire here that's going to go into a 12 volt line that's always going to be running hot, is my understanding. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out the seat, look inside, find a good placement for it, and go from there.
All right, so I've got this thing installed now. I think it's in a pretty good location. It's supposed to be flush, this little module here, and on top of the BMW box seems to be the best spot. I have a rally seat, so clearance wise I've got plenty of clearance. I don't know how it would be with a standard seat or a aftermarket seat, but with the rally this fits fine, no issues with clearance. The 2 wires, the white wire and the antenna wire, all I did was route it underneath here, pulled it through, and then here's the antenna wire. It follows through to right there. I cleaned and velcroed it into place there. So far the cell service has been really good. And then the white wire I ran through here. Need to do a little better tucking job. And then I just tied it into my Billy brake light that goes underneath the license plate. It's an option I put on. Now if you don't have this, you're going to have to tie it into your actual brake light itself. Probably going to have to take off this whole panel to do that. I don't know, I didn't want to look too deep into that, so I kind of left it alone, because these were here and they were already exposed. It was very easy to do that. Far as the main wires that go to the battery, I just took these, tucked them around underneath here, went through the frame here, through here to here, and then popped them out and put them onto the points that they need to be put onto. It was pretty straightforward. It wasn't too time consuming to actually do that. The hardest part was figuring out the settings and getting the right code so it would work with the app. If you guys have a better way to install this, let me know in the comments below. This is I think the only one I've seen, you know, a video so far of me trying to install it myself. So it's definitely a learning curve here. But yeah, let me know if you guys got something better. And until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you out on the road.